Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make flan no oven easy method. Start by heating sugar until it liquefies and turns amber to make caramel, then pour into molds carefully to avoid burns. Whisk eggs, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and vanilla until smooth and strain to remove foam. Arrange molds in a large pot on a trivet, add simmering water to halfway up the molds, cover tightly, and steam gently. To make perfect caramel, heat sugar over medium heat and resist stirring. Swirl the pan occasionally to encourage even melting and prevent crystals. Watch closely so the sugar reaches a deep amber but does not smoke, then immediately remove from heat to halt cooking. Pour the caramel into your warm molds and tilt them to coat the bottom for a smooth layer that will become the sauce when the flan unmolds. Whisking eggs with condensed and evaporated milk creates a creamy custard with consistent sweetness and texture for stovetop flan. Straining the mixture removes foam and bits of cooked egg, so your flan stays silky and uniform. Steam the molds in a covered pot over low simmer with water reaching halfway up the sides, check at about 25 minutes, and cool fully before chilling to firm the custard for slicing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.